G'day, my name is Lockie from Tentworld in Ferntree Gully. Coleman's one of our most popular brands in store, and the product they're most well known for is their range of Instant Up cabin tents, which employ a fully connected pole system that sets up super quickly, and they've used this technology to create the new Coleman Instant Ensuite tents. These tents come in a double and a single. They're made of a quite thick polyester material, which is lined with silver reflective material on the inside to create maximum possible privacy and prevent any silhouettes. They've got a PE floor, which is quite thick, with mesh drainage around the sides and a rain fly on top to protect you in the rain when you're taking a shower. I'll show you how to set it up, and then we'll have a look inside at some of the features. So to set it up, you take it out of the bag, stretch the four corners out, peg them down, pop the four corners up so that they're in the correct position, extend all of the legs, and then throw the fly over the top for extra rain protection. Now this one also does have 8 guy ropes. You don't need to have these set up for the tent to stand up, but in any kind of wind, or if you have it set up for long periods of time, maybe overnight, it is a really good idea to have these guy ropes out. All right, let's take a look at some of the features. The first thing you're going to notice about this shower is how roomy it is. It's 2.1 meters tall. I'm 6'2". Plenty of room for me. Some of the other features that are really cool, you've got 2 windows on either side. These zip closed so you can open it up for plenty of ventilation once you're done. You've also got this great shower caddy at the back with plenty of mesh pockets for shampoo or any of the things you need while you're showering. On the other side here, you've got a great splash cover, which you can zip closed, keep inside anything like your towel that you want to keep dry while you're showering. And lastly, you've got this hook at the top to keep your shower head on, and these 2 Velcro tabs going down the side so that you can keep the hose of your shower out of the way. And lastly, you've got this little zipper here to run any 12-volt cords or the whole pump if you like outside the shower tent. And that's it, the Coleman Instant Ensuite shower tents in double and single. We think these are a really great new addition and a super cost-effective way to take a pretty premium ensuite with you while you're camping that'll set up really quickly and give you all the features you need to take a comfortable shower while you're in the backcountry. If you want to check these guys out, feel free to drop into any of our store locations across the country or pick one up at our website, tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching.